Alright, so this is a quick video on how to install the Kerdi shower drain with the adapter. So this is typically what you will see. You'll see one of these drains. So you're just going to take this off, toss it. So here's the Kerdi drain adapter. The adapter comes on the bottom. I'm going to pull that off. Next thing you want to do is you want to take these bolts off, screws, like so. This part and this part you won't need. And then what you need to do is you need to notch out these kind of square looking holes. That. And that's gonna go like so, and this is gonna go in the top. So then you grab your Kerdi fix and you want to spread it all over the drain top. Like so, and then you want to put some on here. Like that. And you put this right on top and you squeeze it down. If the holes get covered by some of the Kerdi fix, that's fine. You want to make sure to reuse your screws. Tighten them by hand slightly, and then use your wrench to tighten them down the rest of the way. You don't need to over tighten it because these will break, but you want to make sure it's snug. And just like tightening a tire, you want to go in a crisscross pattern. So tighten that one, then you go across, tighten this one, and then this one, and then this one. This goes in the top, and you're gonna embed this in mud. You're gonna put thin set and push this down, and then you're gonna float your pan with the dry pack, and then on top of the dry pack you're gonna put your Kerdi membrane, and that's simple as that. And then the drain just goes right on top. There you have it.